What are the different types of learnings and why we choose to provide holistic learning at TLN? There are endless ways to educate a child, where some of them are broadly divided as Montessori, Waldorf, thematic, playway, traditional learning, and holistic approach. Montessori is mainly child-led. It focuses on hands-on learning, emphasizing independence, order, and sensory exploration in a prepared environment. Traditional learning includes curriculum that revolves around academic growth of a child. Its knowledge and skills are mainly polished in this type of learning. Holistic approach aims to nurture well-rounded individuals with strong emotional intelligence, social skills, and physical health. At TLN, we integrate all these diverse and dynamic teaching methods in a practical way to ensure we enhance the child's creative expression, brain and body development, academics, and overall character of the child.